Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
So, hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are going to share the latest announcement for the Microsoft Fabric Community Conference. Gaston, I saw your post, photos, and comments last week on the conference in Vegas. So, can you please share some of them?
Of course, Alex. Let me say that, first of all, the energy that we experienced in the conference was amazing from all of them. Microsoft product teams, partners, community leaders, speakers, lot of options there to network, connect, learn, and share all of our experiences.
Wow, sounds really interesting, Gaston. Can you share some of the insight and feature that announced during the conference?
Yes, of course. Let's recap on some of them. I'm going to go into this kind of list that I have where we find a lot of announcements from the keynote and many different sessions, workshops, and interactions with the product team. So let's start with one of the big ones, that is mirroring. Remember that we record a video around this feature. Now that feature is coming into public preview, so you can mirroring data from Cosmos DB, Azure SQL DB, and Snowflake. So check the video in the comments below if you want to capture what is mirroring. Then another one is, first of all, they announce how much storage that you can get from mirroring. So you can free terabyte per capacity unit. That means that, for example, if you have a Fabric F64 capacity, you're going to get 64 terabytes of storage, totally free, and that based on your mirror replicas. The other great topic that they announced is how we can start capturing on-premises data in Fabric. So now you can leverage, remember the data gateways coming from Power BI? You can leverage gateways as part of the data factory pipelines to connect to your on-premises data. The other big topic for everyone, folders and subfolders coming to Power BI. So at the workspace level, if you have a strategy to kind of come in with all the folders and subfolders to create, maybe you want to leverage one folder for all your semantic models, another folder for your ETLs, you can start, building those artifacts and connect that with folders in your workspace. The other thing is data pipelines and data warehouses to improve your CI/CD experience. So everything is going to be starting to connect to your GitHub repo. So that's pretty much a really good new feature. The other one is fast copy for Dataflows Gen 2. That is enabling and getting better performance when you're landing data based on your Dataflows Gen 2. Another great feature that is coming soon, is not there yet, but the task flows is going to be the best way to visualize your end-to-end data platform solution across Fabric. So it's a really amazing new topic, and that is coming soon.
Gaston, quick question. And on the security side of things, there's some news about it?
Oh, we had a really great keynote with Rohan Kumar back in security. So he pretty much announced a bunch of things that are going to be there to connect Purview, for example, for information protection, or for example, for data loss prevention. He made a lot of announcements in terms of policies coming to Fabric and how Purview is going to be pretty much embedded in the Fabric experience.
Oh, nice.
Then a couple of more things, orgs and creation of subdomains that is happening in soon in Fabric. Shortcuts for Google Cloud Platform also coming soon. Fabric to share asset across external organization. This is kind of a common questions right now in terms of how we can start sharing our artifacts across the Fabric tenant with external organizations or partners. And this is going to be built on top of One Lake shortcut. So it's going to be a really great deal in terms of sharing our assets or artifacts out of our Fabric organization or tenants. The other great topic that kind of blew my mind was the metric sets. That means that, if you are a business logic creator from DAX, you are creating multiple measures across multiple reports. Now you're going to have a whole hub where you can create your own measures, standardize all the business logic, and then make them discoverable out of the overall tenant in Fabric. So if you're a creator, instead of reinventing the wheel, you can go and check on the metric sets if you have a metric available and share across all your tenants. So you can link that with descriptions or dimensions and add more metadata. So it's going to be a really big deal to share knowledge and share the way you are building measures for your Fabric tenant.
Nice.
The other big topic, more to come around this, you're going to be able to edit your semantic models from Power BI Desktop. So if you create those semantic models in the service, then you can edit those semantic models just leveraging Power BI Desktop. Last but not least, in Purview, now you have another Copilot. We leverage Copilot in almost all the streams across Fabric. Now Copilot is going to be in the DAX queries. So you're going to be able to create and write DAX, understanding business logic right away, leveraging Copilot. Remember that is not autopilot, it's Copilot. So it's an assistant for you. And the last thing is create your custom Q&A experience. So you're going to be leveraging a lot of AI insights with your own data, and that is coming available into Fabric. I know that all of this sounds as a lot of things, but Fabric conference was huge for every single member, every attendee, and the overall community.
Well, that's a lot of news, and I think we need to double click on each. But okay, PowerMate, that's all for today. What do you think about all these incoming cool features? So leave some of your comments. So if you want us to dig on some of them, we can go in upcoming features. So we will take your comment to showcase some of the features. But Gaston, last question. What was your favorite piece out of this conference?
For me, you know me, I love the overall content, so many workshops, sessions, announcements. But again, my favorite piece was the interaction with our community, the Fabric, community launch, open discussions, questions around the new Fabric certifications and learning path and so on. So much positive energy and stories about Fabric.
That's awesome. So, okay, PowerMate, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential on Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.